Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing my egg fried rice recipe with you all, which is absolutely appreciated in my household and is super quick to make. You're going to take some oil in a pan and saute some garlic in there. You're then going to choose your favorite veggies to add. You can choose anything you like. I have chosen some peas, some green pepper, and some carrots, also some green onions to it. And you're just going to saute your veggies in that oil. You're then going to add some 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. You're going to mix it all up. Then we'll add some soy sauce in there, approximately 1 teaspoon as well, and just mix the mixture. We're going to beat up an egg on the side. We're then going to add our egg into the mixture and let it scramble. Once the egg scrambles, we're going to mix it into our mixture. On the side, we're going to boil some water, add 1 teaspoon of salt, and add our rice. Then we're going to add our boiled rice into the mixture. Now here I missed a part. You need to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce again, and then mix the rice together. Then we're going to form a little layer like we do for our biryani. We're going to add some water on top and just cover it up for a few minutes on very low flame. And here our rice are all done. They're extremely yummy and go perfectly with chicken Manchurian. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you get to try it out. Thank you so much. Have a great day.